I'm Louis Barton, the owner of Piedmont Pipe Construction. We started in '99. I moved here from New Hampshire, where I grew up. And we do underground utilities, water, sewer, storm drain. We do work all around Charlotte and upstate South Carolina also. I got started in the business. I was born into it. My father was in it before me. And so my first bicycle was put together on a job site by his mechanic. So it was like, yeah, I just never got out of the sandboxes.
My name is Jason Lewis. I'm with Piedmont Pipe Construction. I've been a part of this team for 17 years now. I originally started here as a supervisor, and thankfully I've worked my way up, and now I'm Vice President of Operations. Piedmont Pipe Construction, we're an underground utility company, and we specialize in wet utilities. And we do a lot of the real difficult technical sites as far as sewer goes, deep digs, specialty shoring. We work for, we've done a lot of unique projects at McGuire Nuclear Station. And they call on us for those kinds of things. And we also do storm drain and water systems. We've done a lot of subdivisions, churches, schools, commercial subdivisions like the one that we're in now.
My name is Paul Turcott. I'm Vice President with Piedmont Pipe Construction. I've been with Piedmont Pipe for going on 21 years now. Piedmont's been in business for 22. What I do is look over the operations, the day-to-day from the inside of the office. I pretty much take care of the senior estimator and a purchaser and all the front-end stuff for all the projects. I also assist with Jason as a project manager and make sure everything happens that way. Do our best to make sure everything runs smoothly on every job. So working with May, from what I see on the inside, I'm not on the field as much as often, but we always hear the negative on the inside, and we never hear anything bad about May. Jeff, our salesman, he's real quick to get us parts and service parts and stuff like that, and just hearing that is great, being part of our team.
I'm Jeff Whitmore with MAY-RHI. I've been with MAY-RHI for coming up on 6 years. Sold them their first piece probably 4 years ago, their first Hyundais, and since then we've sold them 4 more pieces. So, and that's been going on, like I said, for the last 5 years. We've been doing business with them. I know all the guys here, the mechanics, the owners, the VPs. All of them are easy to work with and makes my life a lot easier.
Every holiday season we come out, we go to each job site, and we sit down and have lunch with each crew. We cook lunch for them and serve it to them, and get some time with them, and get to say Merry Christmas face to face, and show them that they mean a lot to us. Our company is the sum of its employees, really. We're nothing without them. We really value the employees. We try to promote from within. A lot of our foremen started as laborers or pipe layers or operators and worked their way up. So we really like to, and we try to, we take a lot of pride, and we try to instill that in our employees. Most of what we do gets buried and no one ever sees it, but we still take pride in it and do it right. In 2006, I believe it was, we were in the market looking for an articulated loader. We needed one with forks and for our pipe crew. So we got a Hyundai, a Komatsu, and a Caterpillar, I believe. That's what they were. It's been a while. Anyhow, 3 machines out to the job site to try. I honestly only brought the Hyundai out because the salesman was so persistent, and I really didn't think we were going to end up with a Hyundai. And lo and behold, few days later, the guys' consensus was that they preferred the Hyundai over the other two. And so then I looked at the price. The Hyundai's price was much better, the warranty was much better, and the financing was much better. So it was really a no-brainer. We still have that machine and still works every day for us. We've since added more.
The biggest two factors for us when choosing the Hyundai was our relationship with MAY-RHI. In addition to that was the pricing for the equipment. Hyundai is a good choice economically. It helps us to make more money.
From what we hear from the guys in the field, from May and all the Hyundai equipment is top notch. I mean, like other companies, we've dabbled with other manufacturers and stuff like that, and everything we hear from Hyundai is top notch. It just runs better, the serviceability is better, and quite honestly, the cost of running the equipment in the long term is a lot less, because there's not a lot of, you have your normal wear and tear, but the braking part, the shutting us down, stuff like that is a deal breaker, and we can't afford to do that. So having great equipment and Hyundai on our side is really good.